Transform your Beehiiv newsletters into irresistible opt-ins with a deeply personal and branded sign-up experience. In this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through creating custom sign-up pages in Beehiiv that not only look stunning, but actively encourage more visitors to join your community. First, log into your Beehiiv account and navigate to the Grow section in the left-hand sidebar from there. Click on Sign Up Pages. You'll see any existing sign-up pages. You may have to create a new one. Simply click the Create New Sign-Up Page button. This is where the magic begins. Beehiiv offers several pre-designed templates to get you started. Choose one that best suits your aesthetic, or start from scratch for complete control. Now, let's make it yours. The key to a great custom page is brand alignment. Start by adjusting the colors. Click on the color options and select hues that directly match your brand's visual identity. Next, let's personalize the fonts. Beehiiv provides a selection of attractive fonts. Choose ones that are highly readable and echo your brand's personality. Now, for the text. Craft a compelling headline that immediately grabs attention and clearly states the benefit of subscribing. Follow this with a concise and persuasive description that highlights what subscribers will receive. Visuals are crucial. Upload a high-quality image or a short, engaging GIF that represents your brand or the content you share. This adds personality and breaks up the text. Customize your call to action button instead of a generic subscribe. Try something more action-oriented like Join My Community or Get Exclusive Insights. Beehiiv also allows you to connect a custom domain, giving your sign-up page a professional and seamless integration with your website. Explore these advanced settings to further refine your page. And there you have it, a beautifully crafted, on-brand custom sign-up page designed to convert visitors into loyal subscribers. Happy list building.